Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2008 Ford ADA shuttle van. Alright, so this is actually kind of a first time I've ever seen something like this. This is on a Ford chassis. It's called it's manufactured by Braun. So it's actually an ADA van. It's a high top van. I want to show you this. This is pretty freaking cool. So yeah, so first things first, I'll show you the engine area. This is powered by the Ford 5.4 liter V8 engine. Kind of awesome. Alright, so this is a ADA high top van, as I said. Now I would actually show you the entry door here, but I don't think you can open it when the wheelchair lift is out, but we'll see. And get this open. Yeah, it's not going to happen. But so yeah, there's actually a entry door, so you can stand up in this. It is a full van here. So first thing is I'll show you the wheelchair lift, so we can actually get inside the van here. So it's got the Braun Century 2 Millennium Series lift. So we'll press up on this and watch the magic happen. This is a non-CDL vehicle. You don't need to have a commercial driver's license for this. And kind of a versatile floor plan as well. Alright, then we'll fold it in, just like that. Alright, so let's get this bad boy closed up. Alright, so checking out this door here, this is pretty cool. It's even got stairs, it's got a ton of headroom. It's kind of got the, we see this in a lot of school buses and shuttle buses, a manual entry door here. And here it is. So first things first, driver area. Got an AM FM stereo, got your climate controls right there. I'm going to show you some mileage here. If I can get it zoomed in. 210,000 miles. There she is. Alright. As far as driver seat upholstery, looks good. No rips, cuts, tears, anything like that. We do have your heat and your AC controls down here. This is to turn on and off the wheelchair. It is equipped with an interlock as well. So back here, these are foldaway seats. So when you want a wheelchair passenger, you actually can fold these up against the wall there, and that's where the wheelchair position goes. And I put one up right there so you can see how it looks. This is what it looks like when they're down. All three of these fold up, and that's what it looks like when it's up. And these are stationary seats, so those always stay there. So I'm fully standing up in this right now. I'm 5'11", still got some headroom. So I mean, it's a full high top van. It does have AC here in the back. I got that turned on. It does have two rear doors there. I'll show you here in a little bit. Yeah, awesome bus here. Kind of a one of a kind. All right, I'm gonna show you underneath. This is a single rear wheel. Looking good underneath. Checking it all out. Alright, so there is rear doors here, just simple rear doors. If you want to tie in a wheelchair passenger from back here, it might make it a little bit easier. Also, it can be used as an emergency exit as well. And driver's side rear, and last but not least, driver's side front. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses on our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099. Visit us at nwbus.com or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you very much for watching.